This is my lottery dream home.
Cute. Fun. What else can go away? It's too new. Yuck. I'm on my way to meet Laura and John, my newest winners, and I'm here in the Massachusetts area. I don't know how to say the name. I'm not even gonna try because I know it's gonna be different from how it's spelled. It's just how Massachusetts people work. But seriously, Laura and John are adorable, and they had just got engaged when John scratched themselves an early wedding gift. Now they're trading up and getting married life off to a stylish start, with that very first home being their dream home. Oh my gosh, you look adorable. How are you, cutie?
Good, how are you?
Fabulous and rich.
I know.
How does it feel?
It feels so good.
It does, doesn't it?
It does.
Where's your hubby?
He's working today.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know, he's supposed to be the millionaire, but he's working and I'm not.
Want some coffee?
I would love some.
Perfect, let's go grab. So, how much money did you win?
$1 million.
That's really fun. Who won the million, you or John?
John, he had actually helped his mom move and she gave him like $60.
Wow,
I know,
that's cute.
that's how young he is. Bought a scratch ticket and won $1 million.
Wow.
So I get a call from him.
Right.
He was like, I just won $1 million. I'm like, send me a picture of the ticket. I'm like, so as soon as I saw the ticket, the list of all of our wants and needs just went.
Of course. So tell me, what kind of home are we looking for?
Definitely something in Worcester.
So it's Worcester?
It's spelled.
Worcester.
It really ends, it's Woostah, Worcester.
Worcester. All right, I'm fully educated.
So we really want to stay in Worcester.
Okay.
Kind of the best part about New England is that charm in their houses. So kind of looking for that old historic detail.
Cool.
4 bedrooms.
Okay.
An office, multiple bathrooms.
Multiple meaning at least 2.
At least 2.
Okay.
We do have a dog, so we definitely need a fenced-in yard.
So what is your price range?
You know, like 400,000. I think we could push a little, like 10 to 20.
Okay, I'll be very respectful of that.
Okay.
I have enough to go off of. I love the houses here. I definitely am really excited to get you and John into a fabulous dream home.
Yeah.
It'll be really fun. What I love about Massachusetts in general is that visually, aesthetically, it's amazing. There's tons of hills and rolling moments. It is the most Americana place in my mind. And I just love that Laura and John want to buy their dream home here in Worcester. This city invented the Valentine's card. OMG, the romance. And you know what? I think they might just fall in love with Salisbury Colonial. It's in a historic neighborhood close to great schools with plenty of green space. This is a beautiful house. I'm dying to see what they think of it. Well, hello, darling.
Hi.
And look at you.
Hi, David.
How are you?
How are you?
Oh my gosh, nice to meet you.
You too.
Congratulations on winning $1 million.
Thank you.
What was it like when you first scratched off that ticket?
I didn't even know what to do. I ran behind the counter and I hugged the cashier, and her husband walked in, thought I was robbing the place. He's like, oh no, look, I won.
What do you guys think of this house?
So cute. I love the colonial style.
Good.
A little busy of a street.
It's a little bit
busy.
It's a little busy,
but it's kind of what you get for being in the city.
it is. So let me tell you a little bit about Salisbury Colonial.
Okay.
It's got 4 bedrooms,
Okay.
2.5 bathrooms. It has 2,111 square feet. We're at the tippy top of your price range. That's
Okay.
$415,000.
Okay.
Let's go look at the house, shall we?
Okay.
Do it. Here we go, guys.
Okay.
Come on in.
Oh, wow.
All right.
I like it. It's bright.
I like it.
Tons of charm.
Yes.
Take you through here. Here's the family room. And
I
here's
really like the fireplace.
Fireplace is really
great.
nice.
It just sets
Good
the
focal
tone.
point.
Mm-hmm.
Are you guys good holiday people?
I'm a decorator.
Okay, good.
She's definitely the decorator.
I can see some stockings going there.
Yes. Absolutely. So before we get to the kitchen, I want to show you this little extra room, which is super cute.
Okay.
This could be great for your office. Little sitting area.
Yes.
Ooh.
This is exactly what I wanted.
Perfect. But here we have the kitchen.
Wow.
This is wow.
This is nice.
This is definitely an upgrade from ours.
Yes.
Perfect.
An island's a bonus. I didn't even ask for that.
No,
I
you
still
did.
got it.
You did. You're welcome.
Thank you.
And of course, we have that beautiful dining room, which is fantastic. Are you
Yes.
dining room people?
We're
Yes,
dining room
we
people.
are
We
dining
eat
room
at our
people.
table every night.
That's fantastic.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Kids. I'm ready for you guys to have children. This place comes with a backyard big enough to entertain friends and family.
Oh, wow, this is nice.
Oh, that's cute.
It is,
This is
yeah. It's nice that it's
perfect
already
entertainment
fenced in.
space.
Yeah,
You don't really have to do anything to it, except maintain it.
absolutely
have
move-in
fun.
ready.
It is. All right, so before we get ahead of ourselves,
Okay.
we obviously have to check out the bedrooms upstairs.
Okay,
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
go.
The first floor bathroom is nicely finished with white subway tiles. But typical for a house built in the 30s, all the upstairs rooms, including the master, are, well, just...
A little on the smaller side.
It
Yeah,
is.
I agree. A little on the smaller side.
But the great thing about this older home is it comes with an ensuite, which is very rare for an older house.
Okay.
But you guys
Like
check out the
that.
master bath.
Okay.
You go first.
Yes.
You'll love it.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is definitely an added bonus.
Yeah, it's kind of a good trade-off for a smaller bedroom.
Absolutely. We don't have our own bathroom now, so this is
This works. We don't have to fight over a sink.
All right, come on up. So obviously they finished the attic.
How did you even know I wanted the bonus room?
Welcome to the bonus room.
We could use this as a breakout space.
Right.
You know.
This is a
Absolutely.
great space.
Cool. How'd you guys like the house?
I liked it a
loved it.
lot. Yeah.
Good. Is there anything I can do different for the house I want to show you tomorrow?
Less busy road, you know, maybe more in our original price range. Same type of style though, like love the old charm.
So you want exactly this on a quiet road for less money.
Yes.
Yes.
Massachusetts in the fall? Lucky me. We are on the coveted west side of Worcester. Ha, nailed that. I could see why they want to live here. There's old homes everywhere. It's so much potential, so much charm, and I am so excited to show them this next house. Newton Hill is everything. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,018 square feet, sits on a smaller lot at just over 8,000 square feet, and it goes for a really great price at $369,900. I definitely think that Laura and John are gonna fall in love with this house. I mean, how could you not? Hello, hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Fabulous, thank you. Welcome to the west side. I know you guys love it here.
We do.
I gifted you a busy street, but where I failed you here, I have more. Excuse you. What? Where I failed you here, I've more than made up on the inside.
Okay.
You asked me yesterday to basically repeat the same house.
Yes.
On a much more inexpensive scale. Here's what I've done.
Okay.
Let's go check it out.
Got
Let's
it.
see.
Cute little, like, glassed-in porch.
Oh, wow.
Interesting, right?
This is interesting. Good potential.
All right, let's check out the house.
Love the glass door.
Fun. Glass
Wow.
again.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Good.
Wow.
Got that.
Love the ceilings.
Coffered ceilings, yep. This is more of a craftsman style.
Yeah.
And they kept all the woodwork very original, the darker. It's really beautiful. But to me, I would paint it a nice white color.
Yes.
What it does is it brightens and lifts the entire aesthetic of the
I
house
agree.
by not taking away from the original beauty that
Right.
it has to offer.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's look at the kitchen. Cute little area, little eat-in nook over there, possibly.
Yep. Love it.
I like the countertops.
Good.
Yep.
I like that it's open.
Fantastic.
Stainless steel appliances.
Yep.
And a gas range.
Gas range, having this option would be
really nice.
amazing for us.
Yeah, and we didn't even see that there's not a refrigerator in the kitchen. It's kind of right here, which
Oh.
is the uniqueness of an older home. So like, refrigerator's here. We have some storage over there. I thought this would be a cute little, office area for
Yeah.
you.
It's open, so it's not as private, but it would
Right.
work.
Outside, there's a fenced-in yard. And hello, epic parties. A deck, a pool, and a hot tub.
Can work from home and swim.
Yeah.
And there are plenty more entertaining moments back inside this quirky old house. Why don't you guys head upstairs and find me when you're done?
Okay.
We'll explore.
I do like the stairs.
Yep.
on
Love the
side of house.
staircase. Oh, nice landing.
End of the carpet.
Surprise, it's a handy hidden staircase for the nanny. Yes!
Bloopers!
The 3 guest rooms are small, typical for a home of this age. But one timeless period touch are the huge windows, so all bedrooms are nice and light. Come on into the master.
Definitely a lot bigger than yesterday.
Yep, it's got a king-size bed in here and still room to move around.
Yeah, absolutely.
Downfall is it doesn't have the ensuite.
I was gonna say no master bath.
Right.
That's kind of what the price you pay for when you get an older home.
Absolutely. And you gotta love these old houses. There's another little surprise up here.
Wow.
Isn't this the coolest?
This is cool.
This is so
There
interesting.
you go. You just have to drywall it, call it a fabulous room.
My room.
What do you guys think of the house overall?
I liked it.
Not a ton of projects.
One less bathroom, though.
It did.
Right. Are you guys open to a newer home, possibly?
Yeah, I think we'd be open to that.
Probably something on a little bit quieter street.
Quiet moment.
That'd be nice.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's give it a try.
Oh,
Gorgeous colonial architecture surrounded by Massachusetts' iconic scarlet maple trees. Worcester is just so Americana and the perfect setting for John and Laura's love story. Now all they need for their happily ever after is a dream home. And today I'm going to show them something a little newer.
Winter Heights is in a great community. It's about 30 years old. The houses are really nice and very stately. I really love this property for Laura and John. It just screams family. Hey guys.
Hi.
Hello,
How you
hello.
doing?
Good.
Good.
Fabulous. What do you think of this neighborhood?
I actually kind of like it. I can see a lot of benefits of being in a quieter area.
Yeah, like, listen, besides that crow. Let me tell you a little bit about the house. Winter Heights has 4 bedrooms,
Okay.
2.5 bathrooms. It's a large home at 2,256 square feet.
Wow.
And it's just teeny bit under budget at
Okay.
$399,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys ready to check it out?
Yeah, let's see
Let's
it.
do it. All right, here we go. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, wow.
I like
Oh,
the staircase.
I like the staircase a
Very
lot.
grand opening.
That chandelier is just a little dinky. You could put something really massive and fabulous and really make a wow moment.
Yeah, I would totally agree.
All right, so we have our half bath right here off the entry.
Okay.
It's nice.
Some storage here that's right next to the garage, which of
Okay.
course will be your front door.
Yes.
And here we have our family room.
Yeah, I like it. I love the windows. Seems very bright in here.
Good. All right, let's check out the kitchen.
Okay.
Little eat-in kitchen here.
Okay.
Then we have our very brown kitchen.
Very brown.
This is very brown,
It's
yes.
very brown.
Definitely a lot of cabinet space, though.
Right.
I think
Yes.
that's something we could certainly work with.
And
Great.
stainless steel appliances.
Mm-hmm.
It just needs a little finish, little finishing touches.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, shall we go upstairs?
Let's.
Let's do this.
Upstairs, there's an office for Laura and 2 good-sized guest bedrooms. The upside of a more modern home, both have built-in storage.
And then we have our full-size bathroom. It needs a little updating.
Yeah, I would
Yeah.
agree.
It definitely is giving me that 80s vibe.
Right.
Yeah.
That's fine.
And here is our master bedroom. Pretty good size.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it feels like the biggest we've seen so far.
It is.
Okay.
100%. They have a queen-size bed in here right now, but could easily fit a king-size bed plus.
Yeah.
Check out the bathroom. Bathroom's nice.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this
Big
is
bathroom.
really big. Yeah. Love the double sinks.
Dual
This is-
vanity.
Yeah, this would be a big bonus.
Check
And-
out the closet really quick. See if this is a nice walk-in closet.
Oh, wow.
Wow. It's a big closet.
Yeah.
Big enough for both of you.
Yes. Definitely.
Ooh, closet diva. And we do not like to share. But one place this house had plenty of space is out in the backyard.
All right, come on outside, guys.
This is nice.
Nice size yard.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
it's a
nice.
good size yard.
Definitely like the white fence.
I like the deck. It's good entertainment space.
It'd be
Deck
nice
is
if the
nice.
deck was a little bit more open,
Right.
kind of like
Yeah.
stairs down, but could always add that.
Absolutely.
You're a millionaire, so.
You are. I love this. She doesn't spend like a millionaire.
No, she
really
does it.
don't.
What do you guys think of the house overall?
I liked it.
Yeah, I like it too. I'm surprised at how much we liked it. I think overall we really like the neighborhood. So
Yeah.
kind of gave us something to think about.
Having a best time, so take all the time you need.
Okay.
And call me when you guys want to have a chat.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you cold?
A little cold, yes. Let's get out.
Let's go warm up. All right, you ready to spend some money?
Oh, yeah.
All right. After you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I have to say, I've really enjoyed getting to know Worcester. Did I do it right?
Yes,
Yes, I'm a
Worcester.
native now. It's a beautiful place, super unique, and I love all of the colonial old homes here. I get why you guys are obsessed. But let's talk about the houses. Salisbury Colonial, super cute house, so expensive. It has to cover every single thing that you guys want and then some for you to
Agreed.
kind of stretch that far. So
Yeah, I loved it. I mean, it was on a busy road, which could look past. The inside was beautiful.
You know, it did have the smaller master bedroom, but it had that amazing ensuite,
Right.
which really sold it. Yeah.
Then your request was, let's get that house, that same aesthetic, the older home, but at a much more inexpensive price tag. So
Yeah.
I brought you over to Newton Hill.
Very cute house. It was on the busier street again, but the price point was really appealing for us. I actually liked the craftsman look. It did have that wow sense when you went into the living room with the coffered ceilings. You know, the backyard wasn't a favorite for me.
No, but it did have a lot of party space. Hot tub, pool.
It did. You're
Yeah.
right.
And that's one thing that Salisbury Colonial did not have.
It did not.
So you really just wanted a quieter street to look at.
Right.
So I took you over to Winter Heights.
We were both pleasantly surprised by that. The square footage in that house left nothing to be desired. There was so much storage.
It did need a few updates.
Yes.
You know, it was definitely looking very 1980s. You would have to put in
I agree.
probably about $15,000 to $20,000 to get it to that look that you guys really want
But
to.
it did have the fenced-in yard, and it did have the deck, which we didn't know we wanted.
Right.
So,
Yeah.
again, lots of bonuses to that.
Interesting. I can't tell which house you guys are leaning towards. Very confused.
I don't know.
This is a tough choice.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm leaning more towards the Salisbury Colonial.
Me too.
It still had that old charm that I know you guys were looking
Yeah.
for.
Yeah.
But you don't have to do anything to it. It just had so many great moments.
So it really just has everything that we were looking for. There's a reason to go up that $15,000. And it was in our desired neighborhood. That was a huge selling point for us. And even though the street was a little bit busier, it's still walkable. You know, we can
Right.
still go down with our baby strollers and
She said it.
She did say it.
She said it. I didn't even have to coax her. Get to work.
So we ended up picking the Salisbury Colonial. We ended up at a final closing price of $388,000. John?
Yeah?
Oh, can you give me the vegetables that are in there too? I want to do a little veggie platter.
Sure.
Thank you. Overall, I love how the kitchen's open to the dining room, and it still had that sight line. We can still communicate from one room to the other.
So I'll get the grill out and cornhole, get some yard games.
Yeah, and then let's do cornhole. You gonna join us outside today, Lily?
So today we have a few people from our gym coming over, and they actually have not seen the house yet.
Hi,
guys.
Hey, come on in. These are kind of a bunch of our party friends, if you will. So I think they're ready to, crack a couple drinks. All right, guys, let's toast. Thanks, guys, for coming
Yeah.
over today. We're gonna get some food going, some games in the back.
Cheers.
Cheers. Lily.
What I love the most is the backyard, the entertainment space that we have. I love it. Whoa, what's that?